So we did get a look at the S24 Ultra in real life, IRL. We've seen a bunch of still photos as far as mock-ups, but not a physical device in real life that somebody took a photo of until right now. So the variant, it's interesting because you can tell how the screen is not curved, and I love that. Got it right here. Check this out. So S24 front and back, right? So what's new between the S23 Ultra and the S24 Ultra? Well, S23 Ultra basically S24 Ultra basically has all new internals, upgraded CPU, upgraded everything, right? RAM, even cameras, sensors are a little different, minus the 200 megapixel, but we'll get into that later. Now the S23 Ultra has a curved screen on either side, right? So it curves down on the left side, curves down on the right side. And this year for the S24 Ultra, it is flat, 100% flat, and that's new. That's good news to everybody's ears. I'm ready for flat displays. My Pixel 8 Pro is flat, and the Nothing Phone 2 has a flat display, and it's just so much nicer to use. Curved displays were cool when they first came out, but that has been retired. That trend is going away. So, and the sides are more flat, right? So look, we actually got a leaked photo. Right here is the back of an S24 Ultra in real life. Now, if you're wondering why those stickers are on there, well, those are they obviously took a picture of it and then added these stickers in afterwards, because look, these they can get in trouble, right? This is a unreleased model, whether it's a Samsung employee or it's somebody at the manufacturing plant that walked home that clocked out with an S24 Ultra in their pocket. We don't know. And they cover the serial number, they cover the IMEI number, which is all on that sticker right there where the glasses are at. Can y'all see that? Yeah, you can see it on there. So it has identification numbers on there. So if Samsung really wanted to find out, let's track that phone, they can track it, right? They'll be able to tell where it's manufactured, and I wouldn't doubt if they'd be able to track it in real life on a map, so to speak. But anyways, the leaker can get in trouble, so that's why they covered the sticker back there to cover the identification of the device, so they don't know who to go after. Let's look at the front. Very, very, very beautiful display. You know what's weird? I don't know why this guy, I'm assuming it's a guy, why people still use the home buttons on the bottom of the screen. You see that recent home and back button? I have not used that in years. I just use my swipe gestures. But nonetheless, you can tell it is a nice flat display. Very nice. This is going to be a beautiful, beautiful device. I think what they did is they just took the S23 Ultra, same design language, and just made it a can't miss, right? Because this S23 Ultra, in my opinion, even though the Pixel 8 Pro came out a few months ago and it is a badass device, I still think this S23 Ultra, that is essentially 11 months old, is still the best Android device you can buy. At least for me, right? Everybody's different. I'm saying for me, in my opinion, I got a bunch of phones, but if I could only have one phone, it would be this. Now, probably because I do a bunch of video editing and content creation and picture editing, photo editing, all that stuff, the S Pen really, really helps. But look, I would certainly not complain if I had to use the Pixel 8 Pro as one phone or the nothing, right? But so this is the first look. Now, what color is this? Well, I believe this is the titanium color device. And speaking of colors, we did get the Samsung exclusive colors that leaked. If you're aware, we've known the first set of colors that came out are basically what the carriers are getting. So it's like what you'll see in AT&T and T-Mobile. But Samsung has their Samsung exclusive colors where you can only buy that model, that variant with that exclusive color on Samsung's website. And let me show you what they look like. I think I'm going to have to get one of these because I was not a fan of the regular colors, right? The colors that let me see if I have a picture of it. I thought I had a picture here. Maybe I deleted it. No, I don't have a picture. They're basic boring colors, right? I think they have a, you know what? Let me go find it real quick. Let's do this. Where are the stock colors? See, those look badass. Here are the stock colors. Oh, I gotta go to images, duh. Okay, so here are the base colors right here on the left, or where my cursor is, or this right here is an official leaked photo. So you're gonna have basic, boring, violet purple, which I'm not gonna get, it's too girly. There's that titanium color, which I think that leaked photo, in real life photo that we just examined, I believe it was this color, which is all right, but you know, the bland. And then you have the traditional black color right here, and then you got like a yellow. I've seen different tints of this. I've seen it look like a banana yellow, and then like a faded pastel color yellow, kind of like this up here. But none of them really jump out to me, right? So when this leaked, when this one leaked right here, when this photo leaked, I was like, oh yeah. So they're gonna have cool two really neat features with these colors, right? So this blue and cool blue down here, and this mint green color on the bottom right, that's actually gonna have a black border around the phone. So it'll have a black mid-frame, which looks cool because it kind of reminds me of the Pixel, what was it, Pixel 6? Wasn't it the Pixel 6, the seafoam colored that had a black border around it? Oh man, that looked badass. This one will look cool with the black border. And then I found out the one that I want, which is the orange one right up here, is gonna have the silver border. So I was hoping I was hoping the orange one would have a black border all the way around, because that would look badass. But I believe I'm going to get this one, orange one. I would prefer any one of these three colors over the any one of the stock colors that the carriers are getting. Mint looks cool. Blue certainly looks cool, but that orange really stands out. So I don't know. I think I'm going to be tempted to get this mint one. Let's see. What are the official names? Let's see. Come on. Who like the sky blue color for the Google Pixel 8. Is that the same color as my Pixel 8? No, that's a more of a faded blue, right? The Pixel 8 Pro right here is a more of a blue, right? So I don't think it's anything. I don't think it's close. I'm gonna link for everybody. If you see something here that you want to go back to or read, I'm gonna link these in the video below after the live ends. Let's see here. So that's a little closer up photo. As you can tell, it's got the black border around it. I don't know if I can go grab the other. I saw it in print that was going to be the case. Black border, and then the titanium or silver border around the sides. But man, those look good. I think I'm going to go with the mint one, but we'll see. Tune in on the launch of these on January 17th. and we're gonna have a launch party for the S24 Ultra